Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show display recent templates on home screen's Google Docs on computer. So how to show display recent templates on home screen's Google Docs on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of Google Docs. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there are several menu icon options. Tap this three-line icon. Now several options will appear. And tap the Settings menu. Now you will enter the Settings menu. Here there are lots of options. On Display Recent Templates on Home. Tap to activate it. When finished, tap OK. Activating this feature functions to display the latest templates on the Google Docs home screen, facilitating quick access to frequently used documents. So that's it, tutorial how to show display recent templates on home screen's Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.